This is what we... Oh! Big splash! Oh, you ain't getting away that easily.
Welcome back to Daddy and Daughter Plus Water. I'm Jason, and today I'm fishing a popular spot for us. It's the Gunny / Honey Hole 3.0. That's right. This place is a criminal dump site. We found all sorts of cool things, including 8 guns, a safe, and a cash box in just 2 days. Jason from the Magnetic Squatch is on his way, but I'm gonna get that magnet in the water and see what I can find. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right guys, this is a little ground find I found. It's just a plastic ring with sand on it. Hopefully this brings us luck. So we've got the Kratos 3,800 pound, 360 degree magnet. If you guys are looking for a magnet, check out Kratos. There's a link in the description below to save 12%. Let's get that magnet in the water. All right, first thing, make sure you check to make sure your magnet's nice and tight on here. We're gonna go ahead and throw this magnet. Let's see if we've got anything with that first cast here. Looks like we've got something. Alright. This looks like bridge parts probably. Not sure what this would be, maybe just a portion of a pipe. Alright guys, I'm hooked on something really heavy here. And Jason just arrived, so we're gonna go ahead and see if he can help me with it. The man, the myth, the legend, late but never fashionable, Jason from the Magnetic Squatch. Alright guys, we're gonna see what we've got here.
Yeah, we're gonna need my magnet.
I can't get it to... Yeah. Sucker is heavy.
Yeah, it is. And go. All right, guys. We're starting to get it moving. It's definitely an old payphone, and it is every word you can think of for heavy. This is what this is right now.
Oh, your magnet's on there.
Yeah.
On my magnet.
I'm like barely in this thing, but I've got it. All right. 1, 2, 3.
I'll try to put it on there, right?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2.
Take a break. Whoa. I'm off. Come back down. I'm off.
Yes, if you can get down there, that'd be awesome. You want it?
Yep.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Ah. No, no.
All right, let me get out of it again.
Okay, I think it's done.
I don't think so. A little bit more.
There we go. All right, guys. What you're looking at is the back side of this phone booth. All right.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Just a second. Hey, hey, hey. It looks like we've got a big old pipe. Carper, possibly. All right, guys, looks like we've got part of a cast net. I'm gonna see if I can get it up to the bridge and see if I can pull on it, get it out of the water. And we'll check out what we've got on the magnet here in a second. Alrighty, let's check out the magnet. Some random bits and pieces. Alright guys, we got something fairly heavy on. Maybe a piece to the bridge, I don't know. But it's heavy. Alright guys, we dropped this a couple times. Looks like this may be a safe door. I'm gonna go ahead and keep looking for the rest of it. There we go. Murder metal. Found a safe and a cash box last week.
Anything in it?
There was a small, I think, thin gold chain in the safe. Had been busted open, but they missed it.
Oh, okay.
We found 8 guns here.
8?
Yep. Scooter, one of those electric scooters from downtown.
8 guns?
Yes, sir. One was a AK-47, the rest were handguns.
Oh, you think you got it?
I think so.
All right. Let's do this again. Nope. Yes. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's try this one more time.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. And just a bite. Okay. I think we've got it good. Now it's just a matter of
Muscling it up.
muscling it up here, yeah. Just try and do the same thing we did last time. If we can get it on one of these.
Yep.
All right, ready? 1, 2. Okay. I've got a bite on it.
You got to go out away from the wall.
Yeah. This is what we... Oh! Big splash! Oh, you ain't getting away that easily. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh.
Ready?
2, 3. Well, this was a good time to stop and see.
Yeah.
All right, now if we can get under that. And there's 2.
Hey, there's a first PlayStation controller.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Still works too. All right, guys, what do you think it is? It's got wood. And this piece of metal may be part of the old bridge. Old rusty lock. Ah, looks like we've got part of a bike. Alright guys, we're gonna see if I can get this. We had found a cash box, cash drawer, and we accidentally dropped the drawer in the water.
That's funny how you caught it too. That's awesome.
Alright guys, we had another great day out here. Probably the big find for me was the first telephone we found. You guys check out Jason's video. He blew me away today. He caught all sorts of stuff. His link will be in the description below. But until next time guys, remember, where there's water, there's daddy and daughter.
And the Squatch.